Let's get into Windows Movie Maker and see how we can change the speed of video. So to change the speed of a video that you have already created, you will need to download the Windows Movie Maker, which, as we said, is a free video editor. Now once you have downloaded it, this is normally how the application looks like after installation. So first of all, you need to add your video from the location where you've saved it. So I can either click on this portion here or go back to this section and say add videos and photos. So I'm just going to click on this. Now once this happens, I'm going to choose a video from my camera roll, choose that video and click on open. Then now I'm going to try and trim this so that I can show you the portion where I wanted it to start. So I'm going to split that and delete that. Now once I've uploaded my video in this, if I preview it at normal speed, social media is one that is under the edit menu. When I'm on home, there are some other options, but when I click on this edit, there's the portion where I have the speed here. So if I just click on it and play it at one times speed, it is playing the normal video speed.
More than 95.
When I pause this and let's say change it to something like 4 and try playing, you notice that it moves a little bit faster. And if I want it to have a bit maybe faster than that, let's say times 8, it will become even shorter. So I'll have that. So that's one more thing that you should notice, is that when you're editing a video, when you increase the speed, the video length becomes shorter, because when it was at one point it was around let's see, it was around 1 minute and 15 seconds, but if I make it 8 times faster, it becomes something like 9 seconds or shorter. So this, you can do it, always do it for portions of your video. Now if you want this effect to appear only in a portion of that video, then I'll go back, make it 1, then I'll split this like in the middle, in that portion over there, split it. Then I can apply the effect to only the last part, which will I can place that as 8 points faster, but the first part will just remain with the normal speed. This can also be done to different parts of the video. I can decide to split this video into 3 or 4 or 5 portions, and each part will have its own speed depending on the kind of formatting that I have chosen for my video. So let's try that. Let's split this again into 2 and then say I want the first part to have that 1 point speed. Then in the second part I'll make it something like 4, and then the last part will have it like 8, like we already did. So if I preview this, the first part, you'll notice that the first part is just normal.
Social media is one of the worst places,
like the way you recorded it,
and it's not
using
because
your
of platforms,
camera or mobile phones.
More than 95%
people
in this.
So the first part is just normal, but when it goes to the second part, notice that it becomes a little bit faster. Then also in the last part, it does the same thing. So that's what happens with the video when you use that speed setting. So that's what you do when you want to change the video speed. You can also make it slower, like if I wanted to change the first part a little bit slower, something less like 0.25, it will become longer and slower. Now in this case it looks more like a slow motion. So you see that. So it's you who can set up. You can also change these digits here by just tapping and typing the number. If you have a specific number for the video speed that you prefer, you can do that and also set that up, and then you'll be good to go. Once you're done with setting up your video, you always have the option to save it or export it. That is normally on the home menu. Then you have save movie. Then you can customize the display type, or maybe the video design or the video styling that you want it to have. If you have for high definition, you can do that, but it's always advisable to create a custom setting for your videos. There is a certain video that we have created before on how to create this custom setting. You can access it from the link in the description. So that's all on how to change video speed, increase or decrease. If you find this helpful, give it a thumb up, and you can also watch other Windows Movie Maker tutorial, the complete tutorial on the from the link in the description or the one that pops up above. For more such video tutorials, click on the subscribe button and like this video and turn on the notification button so that you are informed anytime a new video is uploaded on this channel, so that you can continue editing your content and having better content for your viewers or your followers in any social platform that you are using.